Nadia is here. I want to say a few words before you watch this video. This video was made several years ago for our Alex and Nadia Fedorkov YouTube channel, which has videos with multiple different interests and topics. And now I have created this new Serving with Nadia channel dedicated only for serving videos. And this is why I have remastered this video to make it more suitable for current pace, to make it more pleasant to watch. But all the information, techniques, tools, machines, accessories have not changed a bit and still good today. Please let me know if this video was helpful to you, and also what serving tutorial topics you would like to see in my next videos. Now back to this video. Enjoy! Today I'll show you how to use sewing machine. I made this blouse on that machine, and I used here simple stitches and some of decorative stitches. It's this one and this one. We have unpacked our machine, and now let's see what this machine can do. Thread must go exactly this way. This way is wrong. So it must be like this. Like this. Now our machine ready. This machine have a display. This display usually shows number of stitch which we want to use. Now it shows 66, but I want to make a simple straight stitch number 0. So I need to make here 0. For that I will use these 4 buttons. These buttons make a smaller 10. I use minus, and it will be now, first number will be 0, and now I use another button and make this 0. Now this place show us a foot which we must use. It show us J. J will be this foot. this foot have name here on the center. So okay, we need use this foot. And yet we need exchange our foot. Here on the bed is small button. I push this button and it easy goes down. After that I put this new foot and again push button and put it in. It's very easy. Now we can do this stitch. And I'll make one more time. Now we have just simple straight stitch. This machine can make 120 different stitches, and I want to make one more, number 58. To that again I use these buttons and make number 58. 50, make the time once, 58. Now display shows foot N, so we need to exchange it. I take N, we have beautiful decorative stitch. And I will try make one more stitch, number 66 here. 68, 66. This stitch works very good for edge. You can cut material from this side. And we have something beautiful.